Riwruok makedo ne ratich jotije pacho kae COTU koro wuok tu mosuo gi sirkal ka gidwaro ni mondo orwakgi e winjruok mag ohala ma sirkal osebedo ka keto gi pinje maoko. Giwacho ni mano biro neno ni dwaro mar jotije onywandi e winjruogego. COTU wacho ni nyaka gibede mesa mag ohala ma sirkal osebedo ka rome gi riwruoge mamoko.
Appreciating that workers are the core of the economic production as we move towards greater regional integration, it is essential that labor rights are enshrined in all CFTA protocols. This means that workers, particularly the most vulnerable, such as women, youth, and informal workers, must be at the center of this historic agreement. CFTA must therefore be inclusive, ensuring that those who have traditionally been marginalized in global trade are fully integrated into the economic benefits that will emerge from this new era of African cooperation.